Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best RV air conditioners that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is KINGRVER RV Air Conditioner. The KINGRVER RV Air Conditioner offers reliable cooling with its powerful motor and efficient refrigerant system. Designed for recreational vehicles, it ensures a comfortable indoor environment by delivering consistent airflow. The unit operates with a strong compressor that adjusts the temperature quickly, helping to maintain a pleasant atmosphere inside. Built with durable materials, it provides resistance against wear and tear, making it a long-lasting cooling solution. The structure includes an outer shell designed to withstand external elements, ensuring protection from heat, rain, and dust. The air conditioner is made to fit most recreational vehicles, offering compatibility with standard openings. It works with a common power supply, making it easy to integrate into different models. The system includes components designed for efficiency, allowing air to circulate evenly while maintaining a stable indoor temperature. A specialized air distribution box ensures even airflow, helping to cool spaces effectively. The materials used in construction prevent the buildup of heat, keeping the system running smoothly for extended periods. The installation process is simple, with clear instructions and necessary components included for convenience. The air conditioner is designed for minimal noise, creating a quiet environment inside. A protective layer shields internal parts from moisture and dust, enhancing performance. The unit offers resistance against ultraviolet rays, reducing the impact of sunlight. The included thermostat control allows users to adjust the settings easily. A warranty is provided for added assurance, ensuring long-term satisfaction. In our list, the number 2 product name is Dometic RV Air Conditioner. Dometic FreshJet 3 Series Rooftop Air Conditioner in white color offers a way to support comfort in recreational vehicles through its thoughtful build and reliable performance. With a capacity rated at 1.25 tons and cooling strength of 15,000 British thermal units, this unit is designed to handle varying temperatures while traveling or camping. Its shape allows installation on many recreational vehicle models without excessive weight, helping reduce load and stress on the structure. This approach encourages smoother handling during trips while offering dependable temperature management inside. The lightweight build makes it simpler to place on top of the vehicle without needing complex steps. Using a special epoxy polymer coating, the evaporator coils gain added resistance to wear and environmental exposure. This coating offers a durable barrier that protects essential components from corrosion while maintaining flexibility to adapt to conditions on the road. This careful design helps ensure lasting function over repeated seasons, supporting users who rely on their recreational vehicle throughout the year. With backward compatibility, this unit can connect with existing air distribution boxes on non-ducted systems, streamlining setup for those upgrading from older models. Its balanced noise output supports quieter operation, aiming to maintain a more peaceful interior environment. Running on standard voltage for recreational vehicles, it can integrate into many setups without requiring extra modifications. By combining these qualities, it offers a practical choice for those seeking reliable cooling while exploring in their vehicle, bringing greater comfort to outdoor adventures. In our list, the number 3 product name is Icon RV Air Conditioner. Icon Aftermarket Air Conditioner Shroud in white color is designed to fit Dometic Brisk Air Duotherm models that follow the newer structure. Built with polymer materials, this replacement part focuses on strength and durability, providing a dependable option for those updating their air conditioning systems on recreational vehicles or other mobile setups. With dimensions suited to match the newer Brisk Air models, the rectangular shape covers units properly, protecting the internal components while supporting airflow. The shroud is made from impact-resistant materials that help guard against cracking and weather exposure, making it suitable for long-term outdoor conditions. Its exterior resists ultraviolet rays, reducing surface wear caused by continuous sunlight. This helps preserve the shape and color over time, especially when vehicles are often used in bright or open environments. The smooth design also contributes to consistent air performance without restricting circulation. As this model is intended for units with model numbers ending in specific digits such as 331 or 531, buyers are encouraged to match their measurements carefully before selecting the item. Installation is completed by using the original bolt holes, allowing users to replace their damaged or worn covers with minimal effort and without extra tools. Powered through air circulation and functioning without electrical input, the part plays a protective role rather than offering cooling itself. By upgrading with this part, users aim to maintain their cooling systems while adding an extra layer of protection that supports long-term use on the road. In our list, the number 4 product name is Fogatti RV Air Conditioner. Fogatti Recreational Vehicle Air Conditioner in white delivers cooling power designed for travel comfort. With a capacity suited for 325 cubic feet, this rooftop unit helps maintain a pleasant environment during warm days. Operating at 115 volts alternating current, it offers compatibility with many standard vehicle electrical systems. The design emphasizes steady function even when drawing power from generators or campsite supplies, making it practical for extended trips or short escapes. Noise levels remain moderate, supporting restful moments inside the vehicle while maintaining effective cooling. Manufactured with robust ABS engineering plastics, the outer shell withstands impact and exposure to sunlight. This construction ensures it handles changing outdoor conditions without degrading quickly. The refrigerant choice, R32, reflects an environmentally conscious approach while supporting reliable temperature management. Its structure is optimized for non-ducted setups, allowing many users to install it without major alterations to their recreational vehicle. Clear instructions and guides simplify understanding of the process, though professional support is advised for best results in safety. Careful balancing of fan systems and intelligent controls helps manage power use efficiently, saving energy while still delivering dependable results. This feature is valuable for those aiming to conserve resources on the road. With its cooling ability rated at 13,500 British thermal units, this model offers relief in diverse conditions, enhancing overall comfort wherever the journey leads, making it a choice for those seeking a reliable solution for their mobile living spaces. In our list, the number 5 product name is Mieligo RV Air Conditioner. Mieligo Rooftop Air Conditioner offers a compact design suitable for various vehicles including recreational vans, caravans, motorhomes, buses, and golf carts. This model is designed to support both warm and cold seasons with its cooling capacity of 10,000 British thermal units and heating output of 3,500 British thermal units. With power supplied through 12-volt direct current systems, this low-profile unit provides flexibility for off-grid use. It operates with refrigerant R134A and maintains airflow volume to create a balanced indoor climate. Made from strong ABS material, the outer shell of this model is built to handle exposure to sunlight and moisture, reducing long-term damage from changing weather. The noise level remains moderate, helping maintain a peaceful environment while the system is active. The setup process uses a roof-mounted design and fits standard openings, making it compatible with many vehicle types. The power use is optimized, offering energy savings when using either the vehicle's engine or a connected battery system. This rooftop system features modes for powerful, standard, or sleep operation, allowing flexibility based on time of day and comfort needs. The inverter scroll compressor helps deliver stable performance while adjusting to temperature demands. Suitable for travel in different conditions, this unit helps regulate temperature inside vehicles used for commuting, recreation, or professional tasks. With year-round use, Mieligo Air Conditioner supports long drives, parked rest periods, or mobile living needs with reliable climate control in all types of weather. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.